So what is the history of the math symbols we have today? Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. I've been teaching college math for 9 years. And as you know, there is a huge number of mathematics symbols out there, and it would take a very long time to discuss the history of every single symbol. But we're here to talk about 3 of the most widely used symbols and a little bit of background behind them. So here we go. The first symbol we'll be discussing today is that of the percent symbol. Now, the symbol was first developed in the 15th century, but the whole idea of percents was used centuries before with the Romans and their Emperor Augustus. Now, he used the idea of percents to levy taxes on everything that was sold at auctions. So it's had a long history there, the percents. Next up, we have that famous symbol pi. Yes, the number that keeps on going, we know it to be approximately 3.14, but up till now, they still are working on the last digit, and they're still working on it. Now, it was first developed by William Oughtred, Isaac Barrow, and David Gregory to indicate pi as the circumference of a circle, but it wasn't actually used to denote the ratio of a circle's circumference to the diameter until the early part of the 1700s by William Jones and Leonard Euler. So it has a history of about 400 years. And finally, we'll be discussing the multiplication symbol. Now, you've seen it used as 2 separate symbols, the symbol that looks like X and the dot for multiplication. Now, William Oughtred, who also developed the pi symbol along with Isaac Barrow and David Gregory, Oughtred also developed the first incarnation of the multiplication symbol, which of course is X. But the mathematician Leibniz, who was a pioneer of calculus, took issue with that because he thought that some folks would confuse it with the variable X. So Christian Wolff in the 18th century started adopting the dot to indicate the multiplication symbol, and that is definitely more widely used today, so as it doesn't get confused with X. But that is the brief history of some of the mathematics symbols that we have today. My name is Jimmy Chang, and math is power.